Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make drawing question papers using an easy method. First, clearly define your learning objectives to ensure your assessment aligns with what students should know. Next, identify the specific drawing skills you intend to evaluate, such as perspective, shading, or composition. Finally, consider practical aspects like the time students will have and the art supplies available to them. Now, let's design effective question types. Include a variety of formats, such as observational drawing from a still life or a photograph. Incorporate creative prompts that encourage students to think originally and express their unique artistic voice. Always use clear, concise language for all drawing instructions to avoid any confusion among students. Structuring your paper and scoring effectively is crucial. Organize your questions logically, moving from simpler tasks to more complex ones to build student confidence. Develop a clear rubric with specific criteria for grading, such as accuracy, creativity, and technique. Allocate appropriate points for each question, ensuring the weighting reflects its difficulty and importance. Before finalizing, review the entire drawing paper for clarity, fairness, and completeness. It's a good idea to test the questions yourself to accurately estimate the time students will need for completion. This helps ensure the assessment is well-paced. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet. A thorough review ensures a smooth and effective assessment experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.